You are welcome on today's video. I am doing this video for people that has been asking me questions on how to benefit from all these sites. I am going to use one of the popular sites called Goodnovel as an example. I am going to show you how to earn money and how to apply for a contract on Goodnovel. I am not the one saying it. You can go to Goodnovel and check it yourself. So without wasting much of our time, before you can be able to start making money on Goodnovel, listen. If you want to benefit from this video, make sure to listen till the end because I have a bonus at the end of this video. Okay, as you can see, I am not the one saying it. Now you only need 5,000 words to apply for a contract. I have seen a lot of individuals coming to my DM asking me question, how do I start? How do I start? A lot of them will not buy because they want free information. So I am giving you the free information on how to get started. So for you to get started, you must have your 5,000 words ready to apply for a contract. In these 5,000 words, your plot outline is excluded. Okay? Your plot outline is quite different from these 5,000 words. These 5,000 words are the first few chapters of your novels. Some sites say that your chapter 1 must be up to 1,000 plus. That is 1,000, 1,002, 1,500, 1,700, at most 2,000 because they want easy to read novels. Okay, so for you to get started, for you to apply for a contract, you will have your 5,000 words ready. This your 5,000 words, your plot outline is not among them. Okay, so your 5,000 words are your chapter 1, your chapter 2, or your chapter 3, depending. Some people will have their chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3, and it will be up to 5,000 words, but majority will be like 5 chapters or 4 chapters before it's 5,000 words. So that's that for you to apply for a contract. And if you have a good novel, a good story ideas, and you drafted your 5,000 words well, you are going to get a contract for sure. So let's go into details on how you can be able to make money from all these sites. I'm using Goodnovel as an example. You can go to other sites and check it yourself on how to benefit from it. So this is the past benefit. So the new benefit is every word counts. Every word counts. So if you are writing and all of them count. So if you are writing, don't repeat words. Oh, don't repeat words. Not because they say they need 5,000 words and you are repeating words. If you are repeating words, they will block your account. So every word counts. Okay. So if you are writing a good novel, write a very good novel because every word counts. You are going to see the benefits of this every word count. So for exclusive contracts, you are going to be getting money for your signing bonus. You are going to be getting money for your completion bonus. You are going to be getting money for your monthly attendance bonus and also standing out bonus. I am going to explain further. Make sure to listen till the end of this video. Then for non-exclusive contracts, this non-exclusive contract, before they don't offer $50, but now they offer $50 for non-exclusive contracts. And also you are going to get money from your profit share. A lot of individuals will advise you not to go for non-exclusive contracts, but when you have gathered your books and you got a non-exclusive contract on Goodnovel and you apply to other sites and you get a non-exclusive contract, I will advise you to go for it, although it is kind of a waste of time and energy, but it's something. In pidgin they said at all naim bad pass. So for you to grab that opportunity, get that one, applies to so many platform sites that will accept your. But listen, Goodnovel says that for them to give you this $50, your book must be completed on Goodnovel first, okay, and has 120k words or more. So as you can see, the least words that you can apply in Goodnovel is just 120 words, 120,000 words. Okay, that's the list for Goodnovel. A lot of site platform out there collect short stories like 5,000, 10,000, 60,000 words. Okay, Goodnovel is 120,000 words and above. Okay, so let's break it down in this exclusive reward. In Goodnovel, for your signing bonus, they are going to pay you $100 when your exclusive book reaches 30k words. Let me explain further. For example, you have your first 5,000 words and you are, after you have applied for a contract and you have gained the contract, you are going to update it to 30k words, which is 25. You are going to add extra 25k words for you to get this $100. Okay, that's $100. Then for your monthly attendance bonus, they are going to pay you $150 for your monthly attendance bonus. When are they going to do that? When you update your book with 50k words, minusing that 30k words. You know, we have 30k words aside for your signing bonus. Then for this 50k words, you are going to update your book with extra 50k words, making it how many now? 80. When you update it with extra 50k words for 25 days or more in a calendar month, for example, you started from September 1st, make sure that you did not miss for more than 5 days in updating your novels. For example, you started 1st of September, you keep on updating your book from 1st to the 25th of September. They are going to pay you $150. Make sure that your updating did not cross October, because if it crossed October, that means you are going to miss your monthly attendance bonus. I believe that you understand it. If you do not understand, ask question on the comment section. I'm going to attend to you. And for you to get this monthly attendance bonus twice, I will advise you to write for 130k words, because if you are stopping at 120k words, that means definitely you are not going to get that second monthly attendance bonus. Because if you check it out, 30k words plus 50k words plus 50k words, it is what? 130k words. As for the people that have gathered their monthly attendance bonus 3 times, for the 4th time, you are going to be rewarded if people paid more than or $20 for them to read your book. If your book reaches $20 within a calendar month, that means they are going to grant you your 4th monthly attendance bonus. Okay, so if your book did not meet up that $20, they are not going to pay you for that month. Okay, so as you can see, let's break it down now. For this completion bonus, when completed, if your words are 120k words to 150k words, what they are going to pay you in completion bonus is $250. Okay, then if your words are 150k to 200k words, they are going to pay you $325. Then 200k words, they are going to pay you $400. So as you can see, the money is becoming too much. So this is the outstanding bonuses. Okay, for this 300k words, if your novel have more than 300k words or 300k words, they are going to pay you $1,000 plus. Read through it. All these things, I'm not the one saying it. As you can see, Goodnovel on top, I'm not the one saying it. So let's look at how to calculate what you have made for the month. Okay, book length 30k words. The new plan, what you are going to be getting is $650. That is your signing bonus of $100, then $150 multiply 2, that is your monthly attendance bonus. If you do the calculation by yourself, you see that this 650 is correct. So first dollar, which is when you update the 30k words, you are going to get $100. Then for your $150, you are going to get it for 25 days or more in a calendar month. When you update your novel with 50k words, you are going to receive your $150. Then the upper month, the 2 months, you are going to get the second one, which is another 150. Then 150 multiplied 2, which is 300. 300 plus $100, is it not 400? Then the completion money is now what? 250, making it a total of what? 650. So for the purpose of this video, I have done that, and I'm going to tell you how you can be able to earn more than 2,000 or 3,000 and above. See, for this one that has 330k words, you are going to be getting more than $2,000 for your work. I am not the one saying it. $100 for signing bonus, $150 for your monthly attendance bonus times 6. Then that is every month you are going for 6 months. You are going to be uploading books of 50k words each month. Then $400 profit share. Then your completion money on $1,000. I believe that this video is a comprehensive one and it is an in-depth one. If you do not understand any question, ask it in the comment section. For the bonus I have for you, for your patience and watching this video to the end, the bonus I have for you is the course that I am going to recommend to you. Ghostwriting income generator course. This course has a lot of valuable content. It is a video course that will guide you on how to start from the start to the finishing, and it also has a lot in it. So get your own today for you to get started. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.